Welcome to solverfy.
Needed an assignment of 2 problems, and that's why I had to solve it in advance, and now I'm going to walk you through the solution. So in the first task, we have to calculate the yield of P4O10 in grams if P4 reacts with oxygen. The reaction is shown here. 1 mole of P4 reacts with 5 moles of oxygen. So first of all, we have to figure out what's the limiting reagent. It's either oxygen or P4. To do this, we have to calculate number of moles of each component, and the calculation is shown here. The ratio of number of moles of oxygen over phosphorus is 5.9, which is above 5. Therefore, there is more oxygen than required, and phosphorus is a limiting reagent. Consequently, number of moles of P4O10 formed as a result of the reaction equals to the number of moles of phosphorus, and therefore the theoretical yield is calculated here. The practical yield equals to the theoretical yield multiplied by percentage of yield divided by 100%, and this calculation is done here. So overall, the practical yield of this reaction would be 169.3 grams. So we need 4 decimals, 4 significant digits, because it's required by the percentage of yield. Question B is reciprocal. So basically here we have to calculate the percentage of yield if the real yield is known. 3 moles of magnesium reacts with 1 mole of nitrogen, forming 1 mole of magnesium nitride, which is magnesium 3 and 2. So again, we have to figure out what the limiting reagent is, and here it is nitrogen, because the ratio of number of moles of magnesium over nitrogen is more than 3, it's 4.5. So nitrogen is the limiting reagent, and then number of moles of magnesium nitride formed upon the reaction theoretically equals to the number of moles of reactant nitrogen. It's calculated here, and the mass, and therefore the percentage of yield can be calculated as shown here. It's 64.84%. That's the solution of this problem. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much for your attention.